Hey, how you doing, everybody? So Google Bard just sent me an email saying that now you can make images and to try it out. So today's the first day. I'm gonna go ahead and test it live. Check us out and follow us at learnhowtouseai.com. All right, so let's go ahead and try to make an image. Let's say create an image of a dog riding a cat on the moon. Random. Enter. So this is a brand new feature from Google Bard. Google's really stepping it up. Lots and lots of AI stuff coming out. There it is. Got a little dog riding a black cat on the moon, on the surface of the moon. Generate more. Let's see what that does. Oh, it just keeps on going. Super cool. They got some really cool AI features in the cloud that I've been testing, and now they have upgraded Google Bard. And if you want to learn the simplicity of using AI, join us for free at learnhowtouseai.com. Good job, Bard, Google. And it's at bard.google.com. All right, thanks. Bye.